everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My husband's going to be a butt in the background, just giving you guys a heads up. But I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for August 12th through August 18th. I do think it's going to be a slow week. Usually when they have it a slow week, that means they do the 10 times everyday points, which goes from August 12th to August 25th. So it's going to be pretty much a slow week for the next 2 weeks, but you never know, stuff might pop out and we might get some good deals. So make sure you guys do that. You can also clip it to your card, but usually when you guys clip it to your card, it's a one-time deal. I usually just have them scan the paper coupons because it's better. Here they got the 5-star buy one get one 50% off. Now we do have some dollar off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago, $1 off and $1 off too. So there might be some deals with that. I usually hold off of those coupons until school already starts when the stuff goes on pretty cheap. They got envelopes 10 for $1, which could be a good price. Otherwise, not really anything really popping out on this page. They have some food deals. Nothing going on this page that I see. They do have some Kellogg's. Now, I do know there are some coupons out there for like $1 off of 2 Kellogg's or 2 off of 4. Sorry, I can't speak. But here they got the Nutri-Grain bars. Now, we do have a coupon in the $7.29 Red Plum for $1 off of 2. Those comes out to be $2 a box if you guys are interested in that. Skinny Pop popcorn is 2 for $6. We do have a $1 off coupon, so you guys could get those and get 2 of them for $4. I just went to the Walgreens distribution center and they had pallets and pallets and pallets and pallets and pallets of Skinny Pop. So maybe they should make the prices cheaper if they want to get rid of them. Just saying. But go on to the next page. Now here we got some Keebler cookies. Now I do know there was a deal on coupons.com for $1 off of 2. It is no longer available anymore, but you guys can do that. They got the Club Crackers. They also have a coupon for that. I think it's in the $7.29 Smart Source or the Retail Me Not. I'm not sure, but there is $1 off of 2. So you guys can get those, you know, for $1.50 a piece. Not much else going on with the candy and all that stuff. I do know there's 75% off coupons on coupons.com for the extra mint. Nothing going on with drinks. Nothing really ever goes on with the drinks at Walgreens. And now here we're at like the cleaning products and everything. These are $4.99. I do think there's $3 off coupons for the Tide if you guys are interested in that. Not much like just really sticking out. The Kleenex tissues are 99 cents. Nothing ever goes on with this page. Yep, very slow, very slow. There's a printer for $39.99. I do have a printer. I'm going to do a review for you guys. I'm going to show you guys that printer sometime soon. Here we got the Bic Atlantis pens. Now we just received some $1 off coupons for those. You guys can use those coupons and end up getting them for 50 cents a piece, which could be an okay deal. Glue and glue sticks are 49 cents. They got folders. I think they're the plastic folders, and then the pen or scissors for 49 cents, so that could be a good deal. So there's going to be some good deals with back to school supplies. Here they got some Wexford pens and pencils and paper for 99 cents. Rulers, erasers, and highlighters, 5 for $1. So if you guys need some more back to school stuff. The personal care products are not going to be a great deal in my opinion. Here they got CoverGirl makeup, an $8 register reward when you guys spend $15. Actually, that could be a good deal because we got $2 off coupons for the lips. We got $3 off coupons for the eyeshadow or for the mascara, and then we also have $3 off coupons for the foundation. So that could actually be a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. Not much going on with the makeup. Everything's all pretty much buy one get one 50% off. There might be some deal with the All-Made because we have, I think it's $3 off coupons. Here they got the Perel hand sanitizer for $1.99. Now, you guys can use a $1 off online coupon, plus there are some available on coupons.com where you guys can get them for just 99 cents if you guys are interested in that. Now, here's the Irish Springs and Soft Soap. Now, we are not getting coupons, but if you guys were able to print coupons from coupons.com, those dates were actually longer than the other ones. The ones that we got in the papers expired on the 4th. The ones that we got on coupons.com, I think they're good until the 25th. 1st, I think. But they're $3.99, so if you guys bought 2 of the soft soap, after the coupon you guys would pay, or you guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons, you guys would pay $6.48. You guys would get $4 back in points when you guys buy 2. So that comes out to be just $2.48 or $1.24 a piece if you guys were interested in a deal like that. With the Irish Springs, it'd be $5.98 after 2 $1 off coupons. The $4 rewards, you get them for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece if you guys are interested in that. Now here they got a lot of deals where if you spend $12 or more, you guys will get 3,000 points. Now I do know we have $2 off coupons for the Vaseline. For the St. Ives, I know we have a 3 off of 2, so those are deals if you guys are interested in something like that. A lot of the shampoo and conditioner is buy one, get one 50% off, so not much going on. The Clairol Nice and Easy and Root Touch Up, they're 2 for $14. Usually we have some $6 off of 2 coupons. I'm not sure if those are the ones that go towards the coupons we had that were on coupons.com. Plus there may be some deals with Ibotta, so that could be a good deal. Here they got Colgate toothpaste and toothbrushes for $3.99. Now we do have some dollar off coupons for Colgate, but if you guys buy 3, you get a $4 register reward. Not the greatest deal. For Crest, it's a $5 register reward when you spend, I think, $10 or more. It's kind of a blurry. Dentex, $1.99. Now I'm not sure if we still have any Dentex coupons, but that is an in-store coupon, plus you guys can stack it with a regular coupon. Here they have it all in the blue, where if you guys spend $20, you get 5,000 points. So the Dawn and the Puffs are 99 cents. I know the Puffs we have 25% off coupons that I think we can get from coupons.com. Not much else, you know, that you guys can do with that. And then they have like the diapers. They have it where if you spend $50, you get 10,000 points. Would not do that deal. It's not the greatest deal. Just not a lot of good deals. It's going to be very slow. Medicine, not much going on with the medicine. More medicine. And now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. They do have the Crest toothpaste for $2.99 or 99 cents with a $2 off coupon. Plus we have some $2 off coupons. You guys would buy all 3. So you can use 2 of the paper coupons and 1 digital. You guys can end up getting a $3 register, making it free if you guys are interested in something like that. Otherwise, nothing really popping out. The Kellogg's cereals, $1.99. Now we do have a 4 off of 2 coupon. They do have this Gillette razor for $6.99. If you guys buy 1, you guys get a $5 register reward. I think there's coupons out there. I'm not sure when that coupon expires. So that could be either a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. So this is the Walgreens ad preview for August 12th through August 18th. It's going to be kind of a slow weekend, but I just wanted to show you guys some deals. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.